Yo, what's going on, guys? I know it's been a while since I last filmed a video, so I am going to be making some more videos soon, and I'm also going to be making an updated strategy video. But I did have a big day today. It's Monday, August 3rd, so I just wanted to give you guys a little trade recap on how I took the trade that I did. And yeah, so let's get right into it. I'm not sure if you guys could already see here at the bottom, but this is the total P&L. I started using TradeC because I wanted to try the trade copier in there, so I got 5 Lucid accounts. I was copy trading 3 of the Pro accounts, I believe, and I did 3K on each of those. It was like 31 or 3,200, so that equaled out to like right around 10K. And then I made 1,500 on a, what's it called, the Lucid Daily account. So yeah, that's how we got that P&L. But anyways, as you guys can see, that's the P&L, Lucid trading account. You can see the trade right here. So let's dive straight into the actual trade. All right, get that out of there. So let's see real quick. I don't know if you guys are familiar with my strategy, but I have a strategy that's based off of a 15-minute manipulation time frame that you place on the 15-minute time chart, right? Sorry, I just got a notification. So yeah, we place it on the 15-minute time frame. I'll show you guys real quick how I did that. But before we get into that, as you can see, we have this weekly open right here. Before we even opened at market open this morning, we had filled that open completely, wicking it down right here. Anyways, let's get right into the strategy. My chart is synced over to New York time. So yeah, so I click on the Fib strategy right here and we'll go over to the 8 o'clock candle. I use the body high to the body low. So I'm going to go ahead and mark that out. Hold on, let me turn the magnet off. That shit makes it super annoying. So we'll mark it out right here like that. And then we'll mark it out going lower as well. Give me 1 second. Sorry, it gets hard to line it up sometimes. So there we go. We get it marked out. Once I have that marked out, I'm going to go over to the 5-minute time frame, right? As soon as I do that, I see we also have a 5-minute fair value gap right here. So I went ahead and marked that out. The way the strategy works is, for example, you see price comes down. We hit this negative 4.5. We are rejecting and bouncing off of that level. So for example, I paired these low levels down here with this 5-minute fair value gap. And what I want to see from that is for price to come down, reject off of those levels and hit this fair value gap and then deliver higher out of it, taking a rejection trade. So while we do that, I also see that we have swept Asia and London lows and we filled weekly open. Now that we have that, I'm going to go over to the 1-minute time frame. Let's scroll over there and I see that we have a 1-minute fair value gap right here, which was also a 30-second fair value gap. On the 30-second time frame, boom, let's go bounce over there real quick. As you can see, price comes up, closes, comes back down, and we're chopping right here. As soon as price closes here and then we start our move back up, I took an entry. I took it a little prematurely. I should have waited for the candle to close above if I wanted to be a lot safer, but I was very confident in this trade, so that's why I took it a little prematurely. Anyways, I took the entry right there and I had put my stop loss right below this low right here, and then I was targeting this high right here at the -4. I got a little messed up, but yeah, I was targeting that high at the -4. At this high right here, I went break even. And as you can see, that is the trade that I took today. It was a, let's go to it. It was a 1-to-3 RR pretty much. We got 107 points. I think it was a beautiful setup. I'm not sure if you guys were on the charts at all today, but if you guys were, longs were an amazing trade today. Pretty textbook, I'm not gonna lie. I've seen it for a lot of other traders who trade ICT and different strategies, but as you guys can see, like, you know, we go to a bigger time frame, right? We have weekly open, come over here, we sweep previous session lows, fill the weekly opening, tap into a 5-minute fair value gap, and then we just start delivering way higher. Right after we just had a whole week of huge bearish price action and also the monthly close, I feel like it was pretty textbook. I know a lot of people took huge wins today, but yeah, guys, that is the overall trade recap. Real quick, we'll zoom in and I'll show you the trade executions just so that way you guys could see the trade that I took, right? You can see I got the entry right there, and then we had our take profit up there. So there we go, guys. That is the trade that I took to get today. Sorry, stuttering a little bit. But yeah, that's the trade that I took. We'll bring this up, show you guys the P&L one more time. There you guys can go. There you guys can go. There you guys go. Yeah, executions right here. This was the trade I took. Super small, easy trade right at open, guys. Just caught my little piece of the pie. That little piece of the pie ended up being 11.5K. So I'm going to keep trading these accounts throughout the week. Hopefully be able to get a max payout across all of these accounts and be able to end the week with like 10K plus in payouts, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Just going to keep following the strategy and following the rules. But yeah, guys, super easy trade. If you guys have any questions, comment them below. If you guys want to see any other videos or more stuff like this, drop a comment. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time.